Electrochemical cell notation, sometimes called the voltaic or galvanic cell notation. For our purposes, we'll just call this cell notation. This is different from a diagram, different from a balanced redox reaction that we're used to. But just like the redox reactions, we have here a list of species. We need to identify the OA and the RAs. Be careful of any combinations. Here we have a combination between dichromate and hydrogen proton being the strongest oxidizing agent, and our strongest reducing agent is Fe2+. The carbon is labeled here inert, meaning that it doesn't react and was not needed to bring any ions, therefore also not called a spectator. Next, we have these lines. We have single lines, we have double lines, we have single lines. The single line is a phase boundary. The double lines is a physical boundary. The phase boundary separates states of matter. Here we have solids separated from aqueous. Here we have aqueous separated from solids. The physical boundary is the representation between two half cells. So this side of the physical boundary is in one container, and this side of the physical boundary is in another container. On a side note, we know that water is still present since it is an aqueous solution. The fact that they didn't list water in the electrochemical cell notation above means that water was neither the strongest OA or the strongest RA. There might be other species floating in the container, but it is not involved in the reaction, therefore it is not written in the cell notation. We will talk about what links these two half cells later on, called a salt bridge.